reached the end of the first 5 videos in the C++ programming series. We're going to go ahead and do a little challenge video, and basically that's just going to be it. So the challenge is going to be this. So the challenge is going to be to create a program that takes 2 strings and 2 integers from a user and outputs it back to the user when they're done. So you're going to take 2 strings, 2 integers, have them type them into the program, and then you're going to tell them when they're finished what they've typed in for both strings and then integers. So we'll have a string 1, a string 2, an integer 1, and an integer 2, and we're going to go ahead and create this program. Before I go ahead and give you guys the solution, go ahead, try it out, see if you can complete it, see what type of code you come up with, because everybody's code is going to be a little bit different, and see what we come up with. So I'd like to see what you guys have. If you post it in the comment section below, just copy and paste the code simply. Show me what you guys come up with, and without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and start coding the first challenge. Well, the answer to the first challenge. So we're going to start coding it right now. So I went ahead and deleted everything. We're going to create the main function, and we're going to go ahead and create spaces for both the strings and the integers to be stored. So we have integer A, integer B, string A, string B. Then we're going to say well, I'll go over it after I am done coding it, so just stay tuned, and I'm going to go ahead, finish programming this, and show you guys what I came up with. So we are now finished with the program, and as you can see, I did make a few mistakes along the way, but I corrected them. I tried making it a little bit different than what I think you guys would probably go ahead and make. So if you did make what I made, then awesome. If you didn't, then I'm going to explain it as well. So basically I created an integer D, integer C to take in both of these values for both integers, and I created a string A and a string B to take in both strings. I asked the user to enter 2 strings, just asked them to enter a string, told them to enter it, or gave them a place to enter it in, stored it in A, and then they entered their second string, stored it in B. They entered a integer because we asked them to here, and stored it in D, entered another integer, and they stored it in, or I stored it in C. So then I just simply outputted all of those values after they were finished, all at the bottom, using just here is my first integer, or here's the first integer, here's the second integer, here's the first string, and here is the second string, and then noting to these variables when I was calling them. So the user entered the value, I told them to enter, or not the value I told them to enter, they entered the variable type that I told them to enter, and then I just told them what they entered when they were finished. And then at the end I just put in bonus, just saying thank you at the bottom in console output. So that's basically it. If you guys had any issues with this program, please let me know. Show me what you guys came up with in the comment section below. And I am a little bit in a rush right now, so I'm going to go, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope to see you guys in the next video at least, and all the videos to come in this C++ 2018 programming tutorial list. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.